Today's video, we will be talking about our new flagship device, Huawei P60 Pro Top 3 KSPs. The first KSP is Rococo Pearl, the pearl texture design. And the second KSP is Ultra Lighting Telephoto Camera. And the third KSP is Ultra Lighting Main Camera. So let's get started.
Rococo Pearl, the pearl texture design. This is the first pearl texture design on a smartphone. The benefit of having this feature is each device is unique one another. There is no other similar device. Each device has unique pattern, so this is quite interesting. For example, if somebody wanna buy two phones for his family, then he will be surprised and would love to see in same Rococo Pearl design, both he will get different pattern, which is quite impressive. Ultra lighting telephoto camera. It's 48 megapixel with 2.1 aperture with optical image stabilization. Advantage of having this feature: none of the phone has this kind of megapixel with the similar specs in any other phone or any other brand. Benefit of having this feature: Huawei P60 Pro has the biggest telephoto lens aperture. It captures amazing night scene photos no matter the distance. What you see is what you get. For example, if you go outside at night and wanna take a picture far away object, so no need to worry, you can take a best picture with the help of telephoto camera. It will not lose any single detail. And the third KSP is Ultra Lighting Main Camera. The Ultra Lighting Main Camera is 48 megapixel with 1.4 aperture with 10 different aperture sizes. Advantage of having this feature: none of the brands has the same aperture size and main camera. Benefit of having this feature: Huawei P60 Pro also has the best light intake main camera with adjustable aperture with its own X-Image technology. The new X-Image image style has original, vivid and bright options for more colorful and defined night landscape or object images. Example, if you are going to mall or beach, anywhere, doesn't matter. In any lighting environment, this camera can give you the best picture ever.
So thanks to Huawei for giving us amazing and best device, and thanks to all of you for watching my video. We'll meet soon with another video and another content. Till then, bye.